Hi, my name is Greg with MCR. I kind of played a big part in this car. We all know Cypress is about electronics, and one thing that sets this car apart is all the fancy electronics that are going to be going into it. So I had the opportunity to wire in the whole car to Cypress's system. He gave us his boards, and I designed the rest of the wiring harness to work with his system. Okay, up here we got where all the switches are going. Not quite finished yet. We got all the wiring terminated, ready for the system. Down here will be the HVAC controls. We got the instrument cluster, and we can power this on.
Hi, I'm Chad from the upholstery department of MCR. With all the other changes that we made to the car, we also added Grom racing seats, and we also reupholstered the interior to match the seats by adding double stitch pleats, leather, and wool carpeting. We also custom made all the door panel components along with the handles. We also added a JL audio system with the sub, two 6.5 speakers. We also have speakers in the kick panels as well, and it's all powered by a JL audio amp. Once we get the rest of the LCD screens in, this thing will actually be ready to hit the track. It was a pleasure working on this car and designing new components around a '69 Mustang and coming out with something that is a powerful, beautiful looking automobile.